Well, here we are, guys. We're all packed up. We're ready to go. As I said in our previous videos, we're going to the Great Wolf Lodge this weekend for my youngest's birthday. They've got a bunch of Halloween activities that they're doing. And since we're right next to Kings Island, we're going to also show you what the Halloween haunt is at Kings Island. So stay tuned, guys. Get ready, because it's going to be a chilly October night. I am already showing that it's probably going to be pretty close to the low 40s tonight. But it's good sweater weather. All right, guys, without further ado, I'm going to get all this stuff packed up in the car. I'm going to go pick up the kids at school. They're going to have a half day, and we're on our way to the Great Wolf Lodge. I'll let you know what the rest of the activities that we're doing tonight. Let's go. All right, we're on the road. We picked up the kids on our way to the Great Wolf Lodge. All right, today's word of the day, or I shouldn't say word of the day, I would say today's phrase of the day is it worth it? So we're going to see if it's worth going to the Great Wolf Lodge and basically staying in a hotel like Great Wolf Lodge right next to Kings Island whenever they're doing their thing. So obviously the water park at Kings Island's closed. It's going to be pretty chilly outside, but they got their Hollow weekends going on. They got trick-or-treat things going on during the daytime for the kids. So it's going to be a lot of fun. There's a lot of stuff to do. And Great Wolf Lodge has got some stuff going on as well. They got some trick-or-treat and events and going on as well. So today the plan is we're going to go there. We're going to try to get to the water park. We're going to get our room settled. We're going to eat at the Great Wolf Lodge tonight, show you how all that works out, how much it is, and if it's worth it. We're going to also do their trick-or-treating at the Great Wolf Lodge. And later on in the night, when it's closer to bedtime, I'm going to sneak away and go to Kings Island's Halloween haunt, and I'll show you how all that works out. I'm going to try their premier haunted house, The Conjuring, and lately it's been varying in price depending on what Kings Island thinks is a busy day or not. Today I checked and it's showing $20. Carrie has advised me that there had been a time where it was up to $40 per person.
I've heard people complain about it and posting it on Cedar Point and Kings Island.
So it's kind of a controversial thing. I mean, if you think about it, $40 per person, that could get really pricey. That's almost the price of an admission just to go to Kings Island or Cedar Point alone. So we'll let you guys know how that works out. You'll get to meet some of my other friends tonight. Well, actually, you've seen them before, but they'll be there. We'll have some fun. I'm planning on using a GoPro to kind of get a little bit of a POV of some of the mazes. So we'll test that out, see how that goes. It's an older GoPro of mine, so if the video isn't all that great, I do apologize in advance. All right, guys, we'll see you at the Great Wolf Lodge. Let's go. me and Elaine are going to give you a quick tour of the Great Wolf Lodge.
I mean,
all right.
I'm giving the tour.
You're giving the tour?
Yeah.
All right, what's this over here behind me?
Oh, that's just the Great Wolf Lodge store.
What's it called?
Buckhorn Lodge, I think. I don't know.
Buckhorn Exchange. This is where their little gift shop is. We'll show you what it looks like. Let's go.
They must have.
All right, they got a couple places that you can eat. They got one place called the Lodge, a little expensive. We went there last year. We got another place called the Loose Moose. It's like a buffet. They do breakfast there as well. Kind of cool. Loose Moose. All right. Real quick, let's show you what this place is really about. The water park. Behind us is the water park, the infamous water park that this place is known. Elena, what is your favorite part about the water park?
Well,
She's thinking.
I think it's the wave pool.
The wave pool? We're gonna have to check that out later. All right, guys, let's go downstairs real quick and show you what's down there. Way downstairs, there is a Dunkin' Donuts behind me as well. So already 3 places that you can eat here. Uh-oh. I think they got some activities going on. Check this out. All right, real quick, before we go downstairs, Great Wolf Lodge is doing a little bit of an activity here in the front lobby.
Balloons.
They're doing balloons. They're doing balloon animals. Let's check this out.
The trick or treat at Kings Island. I know. Yeah. Ashton from How to Train Your Dragon.
Do you have her like prancing and everything?
I have her axe though.
That is awesome! Oh my gosh! There you go.
She asked what I was gonna be for.
All right, guys, show the balloons that you got. Elena, what'd you get?
I got a sword.
Got a sword. Alyssa, what'd you get? Is that a wolf? It's pretty cool. All right, let's show you what the downstairs looks like. All right, there's multiple floors. To get to the water park, you gotta go downstairs. I'll show you here. So there's the entrance to the water park. There's also a Build-A-Bear. And there's the arcade. We'll visit all these places soon enough. The other place that you can go eat is the Hungry Wolf. Kind of like your basic eats. You got ice cream, pizza, burgers. Probably the cheapest place to eat, at least from what I remember. All right. All right, show you one more place before we go up to our hotel room. Apparently it's up and ready. But they got a mini golf down here. It's pretty cool. I'll show you. Pretty big arcade. Just like any other arcade, guys, it's gonna take your money. So unless you got some kind of bundle or some kind of gift card, avoid the arcade. So if you look behind me, this is one of those special things that the Great Wolf Lodge does. It's called Magic Quest. You get a wand. There's different places throughout the hotel that you can like wave it at and do a quest. All right, trying to catch up to the wife. Different things, different objects. It's all part of the Magic Quest. I'm not a big fan of it. We got a wolf pass. We'll explain all that here in a second. But we usually trade it out for like a Build-A-Bear. We'll explain to you how that works. We're gonna go check out our room. Did they do that for you? They did? Go check it out, look.
Go stand in the room, we'll get your picture with it. Mom.
Did they have balloons for you? Would you look at that? Wow. That's pretty cool. All right, so we got a wolf den suite. Last year we ended up getting a balcony. This year we don't have one, but they're about the same size minus the balcony. You get yourself a queen size bed for the adults. Decent sized living room, as you can see, with a little table, TV, so on and so forth. And then, right over here, we got the place for the kids. It's called the Wolf Den. So it's a little separate room built just for the kids. They got little bunk beds. It's all themed. They got their own little TV in there.
I have trouble climbing the ladder.
Their own little space. So with the Wolf Den, you've also got yourself a nice little sink. You got a little bar area, mini fridge, microwave, coffee machine, the essentials. And then the bathroom, which, let's see, turn on this light here. Not a bad bathroom. I mean, not too often you actually get a shower that actually has tile on it. So decent sized shower, got your own little shampoos, and your toilet. So enough room to do what you need to do. So we're gonna get settled in here, and then Dad's gonna do his favorite part and bring in all the luggage, because that's so much fun. All right, guys. Once we're finished here, getting moved into the room, water park. Stay tuned. Let's rock.
All the packages and add-ons to the room that we got for the girls. First off, we got our wolf pass. This is gonna come with your Magic Quest wand, or you can trade it out for a Build-A-Bear, which is what we do, because I feel like it's more bang for your buck. You also get 20% off accessories with Build-A-Bear with it as well. You get a candy cup. It's like a small souvenir cup from the Great Wolf Candy Company. Kids ice cream, a pair of swim goggles, 10 Paw Alley, which is the mini golf. You get one game. You also get a round of bowling, and you get a mining experience. All that is $75.99, I believe. The next package we got is the Halloween package. You get the exclusive Halloween wolf ears. You get a candy lantern, so like a little lantern filled with candy. Oreo cookie pop popcorn. And you get one mystery plush they get to pick out. And at the desk, they give you a paper and it tells you where you can get all of that. We also got the birthday package that was $89, I believe. It comes with a birthday card from the whole wolf pack. The door has a banner. It to let everybody in Great Wolf know that it's your birthday. You get plates, you get a free sheet cake, half sheet cake I think it is, or a quarter one. Balloons, you get an arcade card for $10. And you get a large pizza with a 2-liter soda on it, or with it. And I lied on the game card, it's $40. I thought it was 10. So, I think the packages are definitely worth it, especially with the Build-A-Bear alone. Just because those Build-A-Bears can cost anywhere from $30 to $60 in the accessories. Oh, we don't even want to go in the price of those. So, there's that.
All right, guys, open up your presents just for this one time.
What the heck?
What do you got?
Louis.
They're pajamas. Ooh.
I got key.
All right, still waiting on the family to get ready. Sorry for the suspense here. Let me show you how festive I am. Got my own socks for Halloween. All right, guys. Next stop, the pool. Me and the girls are going to go try our first big slide here at the Great Wolf Lodge. We'll let you know how it goes. Let's go. Get out there, Alyssa. I got a couple water slides down, did a wave pool. Now the kids are going to go to this little splash area. Check it out. Dinner time. Let's go. All right, guys, a little change of plan. We came back to the room. The girls are going to get their costumes on because the Great Wolf Lodge between 5 to 7 is doing their own trick-or-treat here at the hotel. So that should be pretty interesting. That'll be a lot of fun. And then after that, we're going to go to the Loose Moose. It's like a buffet. They have Italian food tonight on the menu. That should be really good. And then after that, the kids are going to be coming back here and hanging out with Mom, and Dad is going to sneak over to the Kings Island and do the Halloween haunt. I'm going to be bringing a GoPro. I'm going to do a lot of POV. So a POV of the mazes. So that should be a lot of fun. And a lot of my friends will be with me. So this should be pretty cool, guys. All right, let's go. All right, this is pretty cool. It's kind of like a scavenger hunt. So they give you clues. You gotta go around. They give you candy around the hotel. Kind of cool. Said it was down the hall. Spooky. All right, trick-or-treating's done. On our way to the Loose Moose. Time to get some food. All right, I got my spooky hat on. Heading to Kings Island now. There should be a walking path over here. And I'm gonna head over, meet up with my friends, and we're going to do the Halloween haunt at Kings Island. Carrie's gonna stay back with the kids, do some activities at Great Wolf Lodge. We'll show you that here in a second. All right, I'm kind of excited to see how far of a walk this is. I'll let you know. right, guys. Owen, Emily, Malachi, we're all here. We're all ready for some scares. Let's go.
Get your spooky on.
Yeah, let's get our spooky on.
I found my.
Oh, shit.
Oh, by the way.
All right, first ride of the night. We're gonna do a night ride on the Beast. Let's rock. Roar. Yeah. All right, night ride on the Beast. What'd you guys think?
Best night ride I have ever had on the Beast.
Emily, what'd you think?
I thought I was gonna die.
It was awesome. All right, guys, on to the next thing. Let's go. All right. First one of the night. First haunted house of the night. Let's go. All right, Owen, what'd you think?
Dude, that was so scary.
So scary.
Terrifying.
Super scary. Hopefully that video turned out all right. My old GoPro there, not very good at the dark, but I'm gonna try to experiment between the phone and the old GoPro.
It's okay.
We'll make
Chase,
it
I'll
work.
be your light in the darkness.
Malachi's gonna be the light. He's gonna be the light in the darkness.
Shake me up. I'm like a glow stick.
Yeah, okay. Anyways.
Sunday. You turned right.
All right. Everybody's sitting down, they're chowing, getting ready for our next Halloween haunt. So real quick, guys, I want to go over the pass that I ended up getting right here, the Halloween Haunt Attractions Express Pass. If you have a gold pass, it's a little over 60 bucks to get the whole thing. You can get all the haunted houses, go into them as many times as you want. You can skip the lines, and you get one pass to get into the Conjuring. And that's also an express pass as well. So you can skip the lines as well. Everyone's finishing up. We're about ready to rock and roll. All right, next one. Let's go. All right, we're about to do the Hotel St. Michael's. Next haunted house. Let's go. All right, that was a lot of fun. Hotel, go check it out. I didn't know this, but apparently you're not allowed to record in these mazes. I didn't know that. So I'm not gonna push any buttons. I'm not gonna try to break any more rules or anything like that. But apparently, like I said, you are not allowed to record. You're supposed to keep your phone away. Maybe that's just to make sure that you don't steal the magic for everybody else whenever they come in here. But pretty good haunted hotel. On to the next one. Let's go.
Oh, we gotta do a better one than that. All right.
That's what we did. These things are awesome.
About to do the big one tonight, the Conjuring. Everybody ready? Everybody ready? The Conjuring, here we go.
Wait, no way. because here's.
All right, we just got out of the Conjuring. What do you guys think?
Oh man, that was mysterious. That was very creative. Well,
Makes me want to go home and watch the movie now.
yeah, I can't say too much, but it was legit. By copyright.
All right, what's next? What are we doing?
Chainsaw. I think we're doing the chainsaw one.
Chainsaw one.
Chainsaw time.
We don't know what it's called. It's called Chainsaw one. All right, let's go. Chainsaw thing was like a scare zone. We're gonna do Diamondback Mount. It says 15 minutes, we're gonna put it to the test. Really cold, super cold. All right guys, night ride on Diamondback. 10 being the best thing in your life.
Freezing cold.
Honestly, it was kind of a different experience to ride it when it was 35 degrees out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm frozen. All right, we're gonna make our way up to the front. It's starting to be closing time. Let's go.
Because apparently when he was down in, they were down at their house in
All right, guys, it's late. I'm tired. They're tired. We had a pretty good time tonight. It's time to go home. Until next time, guys, I hope you like. I hope you subscribe. And until next time,
Your dreams.
Keep chasing.
Keep chasing your dreams.
keep chasing your dreams. All right.